Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to get Shopify free for 3 months so you can launch your online store without paying anything upfront. It's quick, simple, and perfect if you're just getting started. So let's dive in. First, go to shopify.com. On the homepage, you'll see a banner offering a 3-month free trial. Click the Start Free Trial button at the top. Now sign up with your email, create a password, and choose a store name. Don't worry, you can always change the name later. Shopify might ask a few setup questions. You can answer them or just skip. After signing up, check your dashboard for the option to use the 3-month trial. Once your trial is live, you can start building your store. Add products, choose a theme, customize your design. Just don't select a paid plan yet, so you can fully enjoy the free period. And that's it. You're now ready to build your Shopify store completely free for 3 months. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.